My name is Glenn Whitener. I'm the Director of Engineering in the Pyrolytic Group at Mintech International, and we are the worldwide leader in producing SN PG, which is a graphite material that is used in high-performance applications in the semiconductor industry. Our Pyroid SN PG is used in a couple of different places in the semiconductor manufacturing space. One is as a material, where the material is deposited onto the semiconductor wafers for the processing and production of the chips that we use everywhere these days. The second is as tooling, where the purity and thermal conductivity properties are useful for controlling the processes that are critical for the tight tolerances that are necessary to produce the new generation of chips. Our SNPG has some characteristics that we believe differentiate it from other graphites on the market. Primarily, it's the purity of our material that we think helps set it apart. We call it 5/9 purity. This leads to an extremely stable material. It is resistant to both mechanical and chemical erosion. It also has an extremely high density. It is a very highly oriented material with a density of greater than 2.23 grams per centimeter squared. It is also resistant to thermal shock, from cryogenic temperatures all the way to above 2,000 degrees centigrade. Our Pyroid SN PG has value in other applications. We believe that anything that requires excellent thermal uniformity will benefit from the use of our material. We envision the characteristics of our material where its anisotropic properties, where it has excellent thermal conductivity in two directions, are useful in things like wafer carriers, resistive heating elements, or anything that requires machinability and excellent thermal uniformity. We believe that these are characteristics that are not easily accessed via materials that are more commonly used, such as copper or aluminum. Our process begins with an in-depth review of the customer-requested specs and dimensions of the part. After that, we insert throughout the process specific quality checks to make sure that our yield is as high as we can get it and that we are meeting our customers' requirements throughout the process. The nature of our material means that we are particularly sensitive to our customers' needs. Part of it is because our customers are not always familiar with our type of graphite, which is different than any other material on the market. The other aspect of this value that we bring is our long experience in machining the material, which is, again, very different than anything that is on the market. Our staff has, in total, over 80 years of experience working with this material, and we find that this is what helps us to deliver the parts that our customers want with the specs that they describe to us. Our quality program at the Pyrolytic Group is critical to fulfilling our customers' needs. We adhere to the latest AS9100 standard, Revision D, as well as the ISO 9001 standards. What this means is that every piece of product that passes out of our door is fully inspected by our staff of experienced technicians. We have a constantly evolving set of metrology tools that we bring to bear as needed on our customers' products. Additionally, we provide custom packaging solutions for our customers. With the wide variety of designs that we receive, we need to come up with methods to deliver those parts safely and securely. We believe that if people could find a way to understand it and use it and start to incorporate it in some of their processes, that they would see value that they have not seen with other materials that are on the market. But it requires creative and engaged engineers to use the material and to understand the material and to really leverage the advantages that we see, which is the layered, ordered structure that it provides, the anisotropic thermal properties, and its fantastic mechanical and chemical wear resistance.